At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in the Christmas spirit. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, take in this. A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know see one and only hot off of the press. Well, I want to take a look on the screen, my wisdom warriors, because sometimes you have to really wonder. Can you imagine? Just take a look, my people. My wisdom warriors, take a look. Moko Police Station. Look at Moko Police Station. It's a container. Moko Police Station is a container, my wisdom warriors. And the residents, them fed up. Them fed up of this. But you know where me I go get to though. I bet you know where me I go get to. I bet you know where me I go get to. Moko Police Station. Residents want urgent station upgrade. Whenever a resident in Moko Clarendon visit their police station to make a report, they have to wait outside the containers that house the precinct for an available officer. This arrangement is less than ideal. Moko resident Sheldon Allison told the Gleaner last week. He explained that this lack of privacy caused residents to be hesitant in reporting matters. Look upon this container here. Where they paint in a blue or white or whatever color you want to call it. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. Just look upon Moko Station. Look on the bike them to know. Look on the bike them when they take away from the boy them and go and cock up underneath container and next to container. You can't imagine? Andrew Holness a build 3 headquarters down at Westmoreland. Where every area Westmoreland have station already. Tell me if that makes sense. This is a container, my wisdom warriors. And down at Westmoreland, they must stress themselves for build station and Moko need proper station. Talk truth. My wisdom warriors, wanna talk to me nicely, seriously. You can't imagine the man gone in a one parish, One parish. And listen, I bet you there is a lot of station across Jamaica that need fixing up. I bet you say there's a lot of station across Jamaica need fixing up. And in a one parish, and listen, remember say the station them in use, the station them now pop down. They no pop down. The station them in a good condition. So me not understand. Them a build three prison in a one parish. And forget about Moko, little baby container. Seriously? Lord Jesus. You know what? My wisdom warriors, remember me telling us say Andrew let's get money for build prison. You think a joke? Remember say me show you the evidence over here. Andrew let's tell everybody say nah collect the money. And then he go behind my back and go collect it. Remember me tell you no. I'm read that tune in the paper. I'm show you the evidence. Yes. Andrew Holness. That's why I'm saying now. He come out and he test we. He test the waters first. Just like when talk about the Samoa agreement. Who remember? He come out and he test the waters. And when he test it now, we hear everybody peer nice. According to Tufton, we like to make a bag of noise, yeah? Yeah. So everybody start make peer nice. And then he just ease back and say, all right, it is delayed and stuff like that. And he not go sign it. Boom. 2 years later, he send in Belgium an ambassador. Gone sign it on the behalf of him. So when I try to show you, remember other day and came out and talk about how I'm going to implement hate speech law. And then everybody start again with the knives and he ease off. He so come now and tell we say the bill pass. He so come and tell we say the hate speech law bill pass in a House of Parliament. Stay there. Uno stay there, my wisdom warrior. Remember me telling you that. Uno don't forget, you know. Remember hot off of the press telling you that. Because I can't understand how comes Uno have station. Uno have a station when need fixing. Look at the container there. You can't imagine Uno take Uno police and put them in a container. Poor soul them. I wonder if they have AC in there. Hey, my wisdom warriors. Uno know a container something we hot in, man. And they need AC. Definitely need a AC. What sweat them sweating at that? What sweat them sweat? No, man, seriously. Uno cannot do the people them a mock us so. If people they need station and your ownless, and you take up the whole of the money. Private, public, partnership, headquarters where you build in a Westmoreland. You think we don't know? You think so we don't know so it is a private thing where you build down there? And that you do. You understand? And you have whole heap of police station need fixing up. Moko need a proper police station, not a blasted container. When you take the police then up. My wisdom warrior, seriously, me can't stop laugh. Eh? Uno not see the container too. Boy, uno good. Hey. Them really not caring of my wisdom warriors. When me telling us say Andrew Owen's administration is the worst and them not care. Them don't care. Cause you go take how much $1 billion for go build 3 prison in a Westmoreland, and you have prison all over the island need fixing up. And on top of that, you have all police station that is container. Eh? That is a container. Come on, man. Come on. Do better than that. Do better than that. But guess what, my wisdom warriors? What Andrew owns a bill is a private-public partnership. You understand? It is a business. So that's why I have to deal with that. And that, you know, and that are the whole thing. And I trick people. About headquarters. Not a headquarters, a prison. A prison. About headquarters. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think, yeah? And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Here, these 6 female wards of the state have been reported missing from the homestead place of safety in Stony Hill in St. Andrew. They are 15-year-old Nicola Martin, 17-year-old Ashley Wilson, 15-year-old Jaleesa Spence, 14-year-old Jada Neville, 14-year-old Oshana Sinclair, and 15-year-old Shanique Todd. The Stony Hill police say about 3:15 a.m. on Friday, checks were being made around the facility when the girls' absence was noted. The police say their mode of dress at the time they went missing is unknown. So now hear this now, my wisdom warriors. 6 wards of the state missing from St. Andrew home. Lord Jesus. 3 15-year-old, 2 14-year-old, and 1 17-year-old gone missing. Just like that. So where are the workers them? What the workers them were working there? What them did there? What them did that do? Sleep? No, sir. Me not understand how they just gone so. My wisdom warriors, let me tell you now a little bit more about this place. Renovated homestead place of safety reopens. The facility, which was refurbished at a cost of $23.5 million, was reopened on June 21st by Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, Honorable Orlando Terralang. $23.5 million. $23.5 million they use for refurbish this a place here. So me want to know, if you go spend so much money for refurbish this a place here, how comes the pitney them? If I get them get where come in and know right now, I know my wisdom warriors, yeah? Me not exactly know if I take them get take way or I run them runway. I do not know. You understand? But right now, I'm just saying, yeah? How they manage to escape if I saw it go. Let me start with that first. Because if we're not going to spend $23.5 million for refurbish, we're supposed to have something put in place. We have to have something put in place. So if none of them are going to go out, it makes some type of sound, some type of something, it alert, you know. Because when they can't spend $23.5 million and then you don't have nothing for alert, you know. It just not make no sense to me. Where were the workers? Because you're not supposed to have day worker and night worker. Yes, you're not supposed to. So that means say the night worker them not for sleep. Them not for sleep. I tell you, my wisdom warriors. I tell you. Let me continue reading. The homestead place of safety in Stony Hill, St. Andrew, has been renovated, making life more comfortable for the 44 young girls who reside there. The facility, which was refurbished at a cost of $23.5 million, was reopened on June 21st by Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, Honorable Orlando Terralong. In his address, the state minister said the project was aimed at improving the living condition of the young girls. Lord Jesus, what a way they really get improved. Them what a improvement you give them. Eh? Our children, our youth, they are at the heart of what we do. We care about the empowerment, protection. Wanna hear that? We care about the empowerment. Listen, I tell along I said these things, you know. We care about the empowerment, protection, and education of our children. And it is important that we provide them with the requisite materials, resources, and facilities. This is what this facility stands for. The homestead place of safety has been refurbished to ensure our young ladies get the requisite care, love and protection that they need to become wonderful young ladies of Jamaica. When I hear them something there, my wisdom warriors, hold on, because we are going to get to the nitty gritty. You understand me? Because I want to know how much worker did they so? How much worker is there? So how comes the pitney then gone? All right. Well, the homestead place of safety has been refurbished to ensure our young ladies get the requisite care, love, and protection that they need to become wonderful young ladies of Jamaica, who will contribute to our growth, development, and ultimate prosperity, the state minister added. In addition to the refurbishing work, Mr. Terralong noted there has been a restructuring of roles and responsibilities at the facility with the appointment of a manager, an assistant manager, a social worker, 2 cooks, 3 attendants, an administrator, 4 maintenance officers, 4 social work aid supervisors, and 12 health and social aid workers. My wisdom warriors, don't just hear this. Don't hear this here. Lord Jesus. So how comes the pitney then gone missing and uno no know? Uno hear what I just said? Did you guys hear what I just said? The man say appointed is a manager, an assistant manager, a social worker, 2 cooks. I'm not even going to put the cook them in it. Take out the cook them. Yeah? Because kitchen, you know, so them based in a kitchen. Yeah? 3 attendants, an administrator, 4 maintenance officers. Listen, you know, 4 social work aid supervisors, you know, and 12 health and social aid workers. Really? And so much people who don't have a work? And the pitney they ain't gone missing? Who no need to go find the people them pitney? Who not easy? Who not easy? I wonder who are held responsible for this here now. Because who not like when we talk about held responsible. Who are held responsible for this? Who was in charge? Eh? Who not have so much people and the pitney they ain't gone and no. Till 3:15 a.m. when I do checks? Seriously. My wisdom warriors. Sometimes them people I get me mad, you know. Seriously. Me can't understand. You better go find the people them pitney because you can't have 44 of them, you know. 44 young girls. So if you have 44 young girls and so much workers, what did that do? 3:15 a.m. That means say, you probably never have so much people on shift or they asleep. You must did asleep or something. You need to come answer to Jamaica these things. You need to come answer to Jamaica where the people pitney them there. Imagine a pitney gone in a state care for them take care of and then look, boom. Uno no know want to pitney then disappear without a trace to blouse and skirt. My
Put an
wisdom
honest
warriors opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. I want to run go over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5,000 subscribers. Blessings upon blessings.